Are you ready for another story? I know you love stories. Today I'll tell you the story of a boy, Manjeet. One day Manjeet was learning to fly a kite from his father on the terrace of the house. Manjeet's father took a kite and flew it to a certain height and gave the string to Manjeet. Manjeet saw that the kite was flying very high in the open sky. He was very happy, but he asked his father, "Don't you think that this kite wants to go higher and higher in the sky, but the string that we are holding is not allowing it to go further up in the sky? Do you think we should cut the string and let the kite free?" Manjeet's father just came without saying anything and cut the string of the kite. And the kite started soaring high and high. And Manjeet was very happy to see that. But after some time, it started falling down and fell down on the terrace of another house. Manjeet was very surprised and a little sad too. Manjeet's father came to him and said, "I knew this kite will fall down." Manjeet was even more surprised. "If you knew that the kite will fall down, then why did you cut the string?" Manjeet's father said, "I wanted you to learn something from the kite. This string is like our family and relationships. When we want to move ahead, get success and fly high, they give us space. But sometimes they pull us back to ensure that we are on the right track. So this family is very important because when we want to get success, they let us. But we should always remember that we should stay connected to the family because it gives us the right direction. Now students, do you see that this family not only keeps us connected but also ensures that we live a better life? Did you like the story? I know you must have. Now we will discuss some questions and you also think of the answers based on your own experiences. Okay, ready? We often see that the elders in the family correct and guide their children. Why do you think they do this? And what do you feel they get by doing this?
Elders, especially parents, are usually very protective of their children. They guide them because they want to make it easier for them to reach their goals without facing problems. They have more life experience, so they alert them of potential dangers that might come in their way. I think this is one of the ways of showing their love and concern for their children.
Yes, the elders are always concerned about their children. Do you recall an incident that when your elders told you not to do something, but you did not like it then, but later you realized that they were right? Can you think of any such incident?
I remember when I was in a college, I wanted to go out with my friends. But due to forecast of thunderstorms, my mother didn't allow me. I was very annoyed with her and started cribbing and sulking. But later in the afternoon, it rained very heavily with lightning and a storm. If I had gone out, I would have been stranded. that would have been a big problem indeed. I think if I had gone, I would have definitely not reached back home. It was then I realized that what elders say is for our benefit only. We should listen to them and pay attention to their advice.
Yes, we should listen to our elders. They always want to tell us what is right for us and stop us from committing mistakes. In order to have a right direction and progress in life, family ties are very important. Do you agree or disagree to what I am saying? And why is it so?
A family is important because our family has a major role in our mental growth, well being, and stability. A family makes us feel safe and valued. Our family members are the ones who stand by our side during tough times. A family allows us to feel safe, protected, accepted, and loved despite our shortcomings. A strong family is all a person needs to become confident in life.
Very true. The family is very important. It helps us keep ourselves on the right path and also gives us space to grow, to get success. Do you remember any incident when your dear ones told you the right thing, which helped you save yourself from taking the wrong path? Can you share that incident?
Once, I and my friends had planned to go for a picnic to a beach. My parents had warned me to be alert near the water. At the beach, some students decided to stay in the safe zone of shallow water. But some students decided to go further into the ocean. One of my friends also wanted to enjoy that adventure. But when she went ahead, suddenly a big ocean wave came and took her away. It was by God's grace that lifeguards were present nearby. They immediately came in action to rescue her. Thank God they were able to save her. I also felt thankful to my parents for the advice they had given me.
I agree. Our parents and our dear ones are our well wishers. They want us safe and happy always. Do you think these relations that always want us to keep us on the right track and help us during disappointment are important for everyone? What do you say?
Positive relationships encourage personal growth. It gives us support during the tough times. They enable us to collaborate and work together. It also helps us to create the feeling of pleasure and joy, which adds more meaning to our lives, especially during those times when we feel disheartened or disappointed.